Now we will remove the brush, which is very easy for us, and remove the brush. Yes, it is brush gone. Now we have to replace the brush. After that it will be okay. Okay. Yeah, both brushes are gone. Because of that we have to replace the brush. Now we have to change the brush. Now I got the same two brushes, carbon brushes, and we will fix this one. After that our problem will get solved. First we have to connect this one, because after fixing it's a little bit difficult because of that, and we will fix like that, and this way. Here like that, and push little bit, it will come stable, and two screws. We have to tie it properly. This one also same, this way, and fix this after that, and keep it like that. Okay. Now let's see. Now we will check. It should run now drum.